I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to pair Miboxer remote. Power on both devices and open the controller's pairing mode by pressing its setup button once. Next, press the remote's pairing button 3 times in quick succession while holding it near the controller. Wait for a confirmation LED blink or steady light to indicate a successful link. If it does not pair, reset the remote and repeat the same sequence carefully. Start by confirming the controller is in pairing mode and the remote is powered. Hold the remote about 1 foot from the controller and press its pairing button 3 times quickly. You should see the controller's LED blink rapidly or change state within a few seconds. If you see confirmation, test basic controls like on, off, and brightness changes. If controls do not respond, power cycle both devices and repeat the exact pairing sequence. If pairing still fails, try a full reset and then reattempt pairing in a quieter wireless environment. Move away from routers, Bluetooth devices, and other remotes that may cause interference. Use new batteries and keep the remote within 1 meter of the controller during the pairing attempts. If problems persist, consult the controller's quick guide for specific reset steps or alternative pairing sequences for multi-zone setups to ensure compatibility with your lighting system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.